unsinkable, but destiny had other plans. On board, 1,000 dreams set sail, among them, two souls from different worlds drawn to each other like stars in the dark. While champagne flowed and music played, the ocean waited. He saw her standing by the rails, untouched by the world that surrounded her. She saw in him a freedom she had never known. Their love ignited while the steel beneath them held its breath. But steel bends, water rises, and fate always finds its hour. As corridors flood and the ship tilts into darkness, their hands still find each other.